Welcome. If you've ever found the colors on X, formerly known as Twitter, just a little too faint or hard to read, this video is exactly what you need today. I'll show how to increase color contrast on X Web using your PC after the latest update. It's simple, quick, and can make a huge difference in how easily you see content on your screen. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings. Once you're on the main page, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Find and click on the option that says More. It's right near the bottom of that menu. When the new list opens, you'll see several categories. Go ahead and select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your customization options live. From here, choose Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Then click on Accessibility. You're now in the section where you can adjust how X looks and feels for your vision preferences. Scroll until you find the option labeled Increase Color Contrast. This setting is designed to make text, buttons, and background elements stand out more by improving the contrast between them. Simply check the box next to Increase Color Contrast, and that's it. The website will automatically adjust to display richer colors and sharper edges. Take a moment to look around your feed now. You should notice that tweets, icons, and links appear clearer and more defined. This update helps reduce eye strain and makes long sessions of scrolling or reading much more comfortable. And there you have it. You've successfully increased color contrast on X Web, a small change that can make a big improvement in your browsing experience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to adjust other accessibility settings too. They're there to make X work best for you.